Cigarette production is one of the most intricate industries globally, combining traditional agricultural practices with cutting-edge industrial technology. The production process of a cigarette, while seeming simple at a glance, involves several detailed and highly specialized steps. From the tobacco fields where the raw materials are grown to the factories where tobacco is processed and shaped into cigarettes, each stage is crucial for ensuring the consistency and quality of the final product.
The first process of tobacco begins right here in the field, where the tobacco leaves start as brown, growing from the seeds we plant in the soil.
The journey begins in the tobacco fields. Growing tobacco is a labor-intensive process that requires ideal climatic conditions, specialized soil, and consistent care. Farmers must closely monitor the plants from seedling to mature plant to ensure the best possible harvest. Planting the seeds. Tobacco seeds are extremely tiny and are first planted in specialized seed beds. The seed beds are kept in controlled environments where temperature, humidity, and light are regulated to promote germination. Tending to the plants. Prerequisite: as the plants mature, farmers transplant the young seedlings into the fields, making sure to maintain proper spacing for optimal growth. Tobacco plants need sunshine, warm temperatures, and well-drained soil to thrive. The farmer ensures that each plant gets the proper care, including water, fertilization, and pest control. Harvesting. Guarding. After several months of growth, the plants reach maturity. Staggered harvesting takes place as farmers pick the lower leaves first, followed by the middle and upper leaves as they ripen. This ensures the highest quality leaves are harvested at their peak flavor and aroma. Fermentation, enhancing the flavor. Banks. After harvesting, tobacco must be cured to remove moisture and enhance its flavor. This process can take weeks to months, depending on the curing method. The curing process also alters the tobacco's chemical composition, making it more suitable for smoking. Curing methods. There are three primary methods of curing. Air curing. Tobacco leaves are hung in barns and dried using natural airflow. This method can take several weeks and is known for producing mild, earthy tobacco. Flue curing. This method uses heated air to dry the tobacco quickly. It produces a sweeter and smoother flavor, commonly used for Virginia tobacco. Sun curing. Leaves are spread out under direct sunlight. This method is primarily used for Turkish tobacco and imparts a spicy and aromatic flavor. Fermentation. Migrate. Once the tobacco has dried, it undergoes fermentation. This process involves aging the leaves in large piles or containers for several months. The tobacco is rotated regularly to ensure even fermentation, which improves the tobacco's flavor and smoothness. Preparing the tobacco. Once cured and fermented, the tobacco is prepared for the manufacturing process. It is stripped of its stems, shredded, and sorted to ensure uniformity and quality. Safeguard, stripping the leaves. The leaves are stripped from their stems, as the stems are too tough to be smoked. Only the mature, tender leaves are used in the production of cigarettes. Shredding and mixing. The leaves are then shredded into fine pieces. At this stage, tobacco from different sources may be mixed to create a desired flavor blend. The shredded tobacco is sorted and measured to ensure it meets the company's standards for consistency and flavor. The manufacturing process, turning tobacco into cigarettes. The most advanced stage of the tobacco industry is the manufacturing of the cigarette itself. The shredded tobacco is formed into cigarettes by a combination of machines that measure, roll, and cut the tobacco. The shredded tobacco is fed into a cigarette-making machine, which wraps the tobacco tightly in a specialized paper designed to burn evenly. The machine rolls the tobacco into a cylindrical shape, creating the classic look of a cigarette. Cutting and packing. After the cigarette is rolled and the filter attached, the cigarette is cut to length by a high-speed cutting machine. The finished cigarettes are then packed into either soft or hard packs, which are sealed tightly to preserve freshness. Before the cigarettes are shipped out, they undergo a strict quality control process to ensure consistency in every pack. Quality inspectors examine the cigarettes for any defects, including poor rolling, uneven cutting, and damaged filters. Unchecked is cricket. Each cigarette is visually inspected for defects. If any issues are found, the cigarette is rejected and sent for reprocessing or disposal. Packaging and distribution, getting the product to the consumer. After passing quality control, the cigarettes are packaged into cartons. The packs are labeled with the brand name, health warnings, and tax stamps. The cartons are carefully sealed and readied for shipment to retailers. Conclusion. The production of cigarettes is a multi-step, highly automated process that begins in the fields and ends with the packaged product ready for sale. Each step, from growing the tobacco to manufacturing the cigarette, requires precision and expertise. Despite the ongoing controversy surrounding the health risks associated with smoking, the cigarette production process is a remarkable feat of industrial engineering and agricultural science.